The entire team is responsible for every task when it comes to the Scrum board. The Kanban board, on the other hand, makes each person responsible for the task flow and not the whole team. Once a member finishes their tasks, the member can help another member with their task or find a different task. Moreover, while the entire Scrum team utilises a Scrum board as a workflow, it need not be owned by a particular team member. In terms of the product owner, they cannot make changes to the Scrum board. Members of the development team are the only individuals that can change the contents of the Scrum board. For the Kanban board, the product owner may edit the board. With regards to updates, the Scrum team cannot add more items to the Scrum board while the sprint is ongoing. Work items are permanent once the sprint planning ceremony is completed. Kanban, on the other hand, does not have a set time frame for updating its board, because it sets limits to the number of tasks that are in progress. Whenever tasks move from in progress to verify and to done, the development team can shift to other new items.